का सोलो, मालिक का सोलो, मालिक का सोलो।
सर यहाँ पे
सामने आपके, सामने वाले सामने, सीधा सामने,
सर
सामने देखिए। आप पोज कर दो वाला,
अभी और कुछ
वाला पोज कर दो।
लाले लाले
वाटर मिल रहा है। मिस्टेक किया लोगों ने बहुत। पीछे
नहीं एक ही बार होता है। चल बस एक ही
भाई वाला पोज कर दो सामने देख के। भाई सामने
सर
लॉलीपॉप नहीं दिख रहा भाई, लॉलीपॉप नहीं दिख रहा थोड़ा।
सर यहाँ पे सर एकदम सर
And can I please say you completely deserve it. For a lot of us who've seen Siddhant's journey, I think today's a very special day for him. Ab seetiyan honi chahiye doston. Yeah! That's for you, my friend. That's for you. Okay, so we don't know anything. We haven't watched the trailer yet, but there are these leaked.
लेकिन बस ये एक नाम है, बहुत पावरफुल है. It's got a significance, but I will leave it up to the trailer for you guys to understand what it is about.
Thank you.
So yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for answering all my questions very kindly and patiently. But for right now, of course, we're going to have to welcome Yudra ki Nikhat, because that is going to be the flame that fuels Yudra's fire. Please join me in welcoming the gorgeous, talented, and the stunning Malvika Mohanan. Hi. Well, सबसे पहले मुबारक हो. शुक्रिया. He's already in character. He's already playing Yudra. Okay, so Malvika, let me get you up to speed. You know, until now we've been talking. We haven't even seen the trailer yet. Okay, so we can't spill any beans. Call upon the incredibly talented performer Raghav Juyal. Deserves a round of applause. For Thank you for taking my memo, guys. That was amazing. Yeah, so let's just start off this. First of all, now it's complete because आपका इंतजार हो रहा था, आप लोग आ गए हैं और इसके बाद हम इनको ट्रेलर दिखाएंगे. अब तक हमने ट्रेलर दिखाया नहीं है दोस्त. अच्छा. अब तक सिर्फ बातें चल रही हैं, तो इनको पता नहीं है कि किस रूप में आने वाले हैं आप. तो इस रूप के बारे में थोड़ी वार्निंग दे दे इनको कि पहली बार देखने वाले हैं आपको क्या.
नहीं दिखा दो
यार. वार्निंग मैं पहले देना नहीं चाहूँगा.
अच्छा.
हाँ, क्योंकि वार्निंग दे दी तो उनको पता लग जाएगा कि क्या हो रहा है, नो. और वार्निंग जब आती भी है तो बड़ा डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है इंसान. सीधे देखो है ना. और बताना कैसा लगा. बहुत मेहनत की यार, बहुत ज़्यादा. फिजिकली तो हम जूझे ही हैं इसमें, बहुत कश्मकश किए हैं हमने, मगर साइकोलॉजिकली भी बहुत कुछ ऊपर नीचे.
I'll let you. I'll let you go ahead. Thanks. I'm gonna be here. छोटे से कहते हैं ना राउंड टेबल, लेकिन लाइन में है हम. उसकी शान बढ़ाने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. शुरू करते हैं. अब आपके हवाले वतन साथियों, आपको पता है आपको क्या करना है। अगर सवाल हो तो माइक्स आपके पास आएंगे, प्लीज डायरेक्ट योर क्वेश्चन टू समबडी हियर एंड फिर वो आपके सवालों के जवाब देंगे। थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑफ कोर्स द फ्लोर इज ओपन फॉर क्वेश्चंस स्टार्टिंग विथ यू लवली।
Hi, this is Sabina Sheikh here from Zoom channel. So this question is to you. How much of anger you had to control while it went out, and let it go completely for the action thriller?
To control as in?
Control as in, because when you're doing the scenes and all, I'm sure you will be finding it difficult to be all out there, venting it out.
No, there's been a lot of anger anyway. So
हर चीज़ों को वक्त लगता है और ये उनमें से एक है। So I think yes.
I'm so sorry, this is not a question that we're going to give an answer to today. This is about a film and I'm really sorry it doesn't allow me to go there at this point. Thank you.
Hi. Hi. My name
First of all, I must say that it's such an intriguing title. I do want to congratulate you on what a year 2024 has been. You've kept us on our toes as audiences. We're the same audience that died laughing in the theaters thanks to Madgaon Express. We're the same audience that had a crazy time with the characters coming back in Mirzapur 3. The same audience who wept alongside Javed Saab with Angry Young Men very recently. So let's just talk about this year for Excel.
I'm just grateful and it's great that it's been a wonderful year. I know that everybody's keeps talking about our industry going through this phase and all that, but I think if you have good content which speaks for itself, people come out and endorse it, absorb it, take a little bit from that, whether it's a docu-series. It's been overwhelming, the response we've seen. We were not even expecting it. But I think it's, though it's about two film writers, I think, but there is some kind of inspirational, aspirational part to their journey, which has connected with people who've got nothing to do with, anything to do with even writing or behind the camera, but they some way or the other they've related to a part of their existing life through that story. So I think that's been there. Madgaon again has been a different journey. It just tells you to come in, enjoy a kind of a community viewing, have fun with your friends, and it's a certain way of these three guys who always wanted to, these four guys who always wanted to go to Goa, and somewhere I think what Kunal did is it reminded him to give a kind of an homage to Dil Chahta Hai, so that's where it went. So I think it's been great, and Mirzapur of course.
Of course, and let's talk about you. How are you doing? I'm good. While we wait for Ritesh to join us, I thought let me ask you some questions. हमने अब तक of course ट्रेलर नहीं देखा है, okay? लेकिन अगर हमने पोस्टर देखा है तो एक चीज हम सबको नजर भी आ गई और हमने छीन भी लिया हक से, और वो है ये लॉलीपॉप। तो सबसे पहले मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि इसका युद्रा के साथ क्या कनेक्शन है सर?
आपने हर बार गैंगस्टर को सिगरेट पीते हुए एकदम ब्रूडिंग करते हुए देखा है। So ये वो गैंगस्टर जो लॉलीपॉप खाता है और he is high on sugar and he is
That's a first, to be honest. I must congratulate you on the last time we saw your remarkable work, and that was with a movie called Mom. So थोड़ा सा लेट है लेकिन आज हम मिले हैं तो मुझे round of applause, सीटियाँ होनी चाहिए.
Thank you
so much.
And I knew then it had something which had very Shakespearean Hamlet sort of a thing inbuilt in it. So it's a classic revenge, tragedy story. So I thought it's the best skeleton that they worked on as a design. And it is about this kid who can't control his anger and the rage and what it does to him.
थोड़ा थोड़ा और थोड़ा
यहाँ पे सेंटर में देखो, सेंटर में सेंटर
सामने सामने मालविका
का सीधा सेंटर यहाँ पे
मालविका यो मालविका ओली
सेंटर 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 सेंटर
मालविका जी सामने देखिए, ऊपर ऊपर बंदूक ले लो, बंदूक लॉलीपॉप 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 बुलेट से सामने देखिए, सामने
सिद्धार्थ मालिक
चलना खोलो, चलना खोलो, लेफ्ट 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 चले अरे ये मालविका सोलो मालविका सोलो मालविका यहाँ पे आरती आरती आरती
सिद्धार्थ लेफ्ट सिद्धार्थ लेफ्ट सिद्धार्थ लेफ्ट हाँ यहाँ पे देखो, सिद्धार्थ लुगियर मालविका लेफ्ट
थोड़ा और
मालविका 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 लेफ्ट
सही है सर, सही है
सर